The Kärcher BR 30/4C floor scrubber uses a slim, upright design that handles much like a vacuum, making it easy to steer around obstacles in busy commercial spaces. Its high-speed roller brush applies significantly more pressure than manual mopping, so it pulls up embedded grime from textured floors and grout lines with far less effort. Twin squeegees collect dirty solution in both forward and backward passes, leaving hard floors almost immediately dry and ready for foot traffic. A convenient foot pedal lets you pause suction to let cleaning solution dwell on stubborn soils, then resume pickup without bending down or fiddling with controls. Separate clean and recovery tanks lift out for filling and dumping in standard sinks, and the integrated carry handle makes transporting the machine between areas straightforward. The very low-profile brush head reaches under shelving and furniture that many larger scrubbers miss, helping you maintain a more consistently clean appearance across the entire floor.